Mise en scène refers to the staging of the film. It is the sum of everything the audience sees, hears, and experiences while viewing it. It influences the audience's mood and emotional response through factors such as decor, lighting, costumes, and sounds to replicate real-life places and situations. Mise en scène is comprised of the film's design, sets, scenery, costumes, and lighting, composition, arrangement of characters or objects in frame, and its kinesis, the movement within the frame and how the frame moves. These components create a visual world on the screen that portray real-life emotions and themes. Wim Wenders' 1984 film, Paris, Texas, uses the design element of mise en scène through the use of color to create narrative significance. The film uses multiple color schemes to represent the main themes of the movie. The film follows Travis, a man who has been wandering the desert for 4 years after abandoning his family. He is found in the middle of the Texan desert by a German doctor. Travis's brother, Walt, comes to pick up Travis and take him back to LA, where Walt and his wife Anne have been taking care of Travis's now 8-year-old son, Hunter. The film contains themes of unity, abandonment, and conflict, often portrayed through the use of color. The film often uses the colors red, white, and blue to represent America and unity. This color pattern is first seen at the very beginning of the film, showing the audience that Travis is wandering through an American desert. This is contrasted with the use of the color green, which is used throughout the film to represent abandonment and brokenness. The first shot of Travis shows him wearing a red hat against a blue sky with a white water jug. This represents his freedom as he wanders through the land. This visual is contrasted by the green light of the doctor's office, showing how Travis is actually lost and broken. The character of Walt brings back the red, white, and blue color scheme as he and Travis road trip back to LA. Walt represents a traditional American, and the red, white, and blue color schemes of his home and Anne and Hunter's clothing reflect this. Flashes of green pop up throughout the film and interject the red, white, and blue during times of trouble or difficulty. This is seen when Walt calls home to tell Hunter he found his dad, and when Travis and Hunter leave to search for Hunter's mother. We also see interjections of red throughout the film to represent conflict. The club where Jane works is bathed in red light, and the room and her clothing is red during the first encounter with Travis, representing the conflict of their reuniting. The color schemes are abandoned during the second conversation between Jane and Travis, stripping the audience's notions of what will come next. All visual clues of filters, lights, and colors are abandoned, leaving us with a raw scene. We see the true meaning of the green in the end of the film. Hunter and Jane are reunited, both wearing green. While the green had previously represented abandonment, here it represents unity. We then see Travis, again bathed in green light, as he drives away from both Jane and Hunter, once again abandoning them. In the end, green represented both separation and unity, as Travis reunited his wife and son, but also chose to abandon them. In Star Wars, Luke Skywalker uses a blue lightsaber, while Darth Vader uses a red lightsaber. The contrast of these colors in a battle scene represents good versus evil, while the blue representing good and red representing evil. This is another example of a movie using color for mise en scène.